Okay, everybody, I decided to try to make a little short video here. It's this is our old microwave. Well, it's the back of it. And the other night, while Robin was using it, it actually inside caught on fire. And of course, it freaked us out at first because it was coming from the back. So I was at first thinking it was coming from the receptacle in the wall that it was plugged into, but it ended up it was coming from inside, and the smoke was rolling out that back vent right there. And so I decided to just, out of curiosity, now this microwave we estimated to be probably 17 to 20 years old, so it's an old one. So we got her, I think at the time it was like 30 something dollars, and the new one I just bought the other day, which is maybe one size bigger than that, was $86. So that tells you how much the microwaves have changed. But anyway, actually there wasn't that many there. I went to the old Walmart store and there was two different kinds. This one, the one we bought, and just one other kind. About 1,500 air fryers. I guess that's what everybody's using now. So anyway, I'm going to take this back cover off. I'm just curious, and if I can see it, you'll all be able to see too, just what caused it to catch on fire. I'm thinking it's something to do with however it heats it up. So let me see if I can get this cover off, and we will look at it. All right, let's see here. Might have been that heating element. The heating element right there could have been it. Well, sorry about this camera. I'm trying to do this without my tripod. I forgot to bring my tripod down to the garage. I'm not sure, but I'm not seeing anything right offhand. Well, let's see here. There's a transformer right here, and it's kind of hard to see. Yeah, really hard. Right there. There is a burn spot right there on the transformer. I know you can see that, so I'm not going to bother pointing at it. That's the only thing I'm seeing so far that it could have been. Yeah, and the smell is right there. You got the transformer, there's a capacitor over there. Capacitor doesn't look like it's burnt. But let me tear into this a little bit more, and then I'll get right back to you. Okay, I've got the transformer out, and there's a better look at it. Right there is the culprit. I can get in there. That one little spot, and it looks like, I mean, nothing was grounding out on it, or short, and no wires or nothing. You can see where I cut the old wires loose here so I can get it out. It was just the windings in the transformer, I guess, finally maybe burnt in two and came out that one corner. The only thing I could guess, man, what a smoke-filled trailer we live in. We had to open our windows up the other night at 40-something degrees out, but man, it was terrible on earth, the smoke and the smell. If you've ever smelled electric fire, I guess no fire smoke is good, but electric's even worse. And so that created all that. And main reason I did this video was to, see if it was, maybe we cleaned it or something, I don't know. But I was just kind of curious to what would cause it. I would figured it would have been something in a circuit board or something. There's the circuit board up there. That's where all your electronics is. So it wasn't anything in there. It was that transformer, and that is like a, try to put it, just a step-up transformer. It takes the makes the high wattage, high voltage that goes to this, which creates the massive heat and the wattage, and got the radiation part in it. You've ever heard about radiation, microwaves, in that right there. So that's what it was. So we got us a new microwave anyway. We were needing one anyway. So I guess the only thing I could tell you all, maybe, is when your microwave gets to be almost 20 years old, you might want to go replace it instead of waiting until, like we did, and it caught on fire. So, but good ending to something that we, for a minute there, we thought was going to be bad. Hope you have a good day. God bless.